The 2024 Nissan Xterra is a compact pickup truck-based SUV developed, assembled, and manufactured in the United States. Before we discuss the arrival of the Nissan Xterra 2024, let's walk through the story of the Xterra that has not greeted us in a long time. The previous Xterra model has been present in the first two generations, from 2000 to 2015. Finally, after a long rest, the Nissan Xterra is rumored to be back with a stricter redesign and is equipped with a digital presence and will provide extraordinary off-road performance. The Nissan Xterra is likely to be launched in 2024. According to the scattered news and some digital images circulating, it can be seen that the Nissan Xterra that will be present this time adopts the style of the Nissan Frontier and will be placed under the Nissan Rogue. This model has a good chance of returning to the field, especially with the idea of defeating rivals such as the Ford Bronco Sport and Jeep Compass. The presence this time may not differ too much from the last model of the Xterra, but improvements in various aspects will undoubtedly occur because the SUV needs to be adapted to the development and circumstances of the times. Previously, the Nissan Xterra relied heavily on impressive off-road capabilities, a multi-functional interior with innovative cargo features, and the availability of a manual transmission. In addition, the previous model also has slowness, such as handling when driving feels a little awkward, less fuel efficient, and interior design and materials that look a little old-fashioned. We hope that the advantages it has can continue to be maintained and improved at the arrival of Xterra 2024 this time. As for its weaknesses, we hope to be corrected them so that later it provides an even better driving experience. On this arrival, the Nissan Xterra will offer less interior space. The cabin is elegantly designed and modern to fit the times. The ingredients used are high-quality materials. Some chrome elements will also be added and credited with improvements. This SUV with a two-row interior for 5 passengers will also have new seats. The interior is also equipped with innovative cargo features that make it more versatile. The storage space owned by the Nissan Xterra is also quite satisfying. The 2024 Nissan Xterra in the X trim will likely come standard with rear privacy glass, roof rack side rails, upholstery, 60/40 folding rear seats, adjustable steering wheel, and an adjustable driver's seat, adjustable height and waist seat, as well as 16-inch alloy wheels. Some of the features and technologies that the 2024 Nissan Xterra offers include the main things that can support driving comfort. These things, especially in the X trim, provide complete power accessories, air conditioner, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, a 6-speaker CD audio system, and other additional inputs.